Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday, yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. This week, we're coming to you from Blackrock. Behind us, we built on a small extension, but we carried out a full renovation. This home has got some real magic. Our design is really modern, but with all these traditional furnishings, it really gives that home that unique feel. What a difference since the last time we were here. We've got our staircase leading up to all our new rooms. We've got our living room, our fireplace, our new kitchen location. We're going to be putting an island right here. And in front, this is where we're going to have all our kitchen units. After a really busy day, our homeowners like to kick back and enjoy listening to music. And this room is going to work perfectly for that. Our homeowner really loves and enjoys cooking. In this kitchen design, we did something a little different. The space between the kitchen and the island is 1.5, giving you a little more room. We've gone with the Range Master, and I have a question for you, all the viewers out there. Is food that cooked by gas, does it really taste better? I need to get this figured out for once and for all, so please let us know in the comments below. Overhead, we've went for a commercial range extractor, making all those smells disappear really quickly. And to tie and finish the kitchen off perfectly, we've ran the granite all along the back. Those yellow earmuffs, our kitchen is going to run all the way from that point right to this point. And behind me in this dining area, you'll open a cupboard, and behind that we'll have a secret utility room. Once we open these doors, in here we've got a drying machine, washing machine, we've got a pull-out ironing board, and overhead we've got some hanging space. Behind me here we get to see this bespoke window and sliding door. What makes it bespoke? You've got that slim little frame running all the way around, and it nearly gives you the feeling there is no glass. One of the key design features is how this red brick runs from internal to external. Our homeowners have an absolutely beautiful home, and Sigma Homes is extremely proud